Best sewing machines. Are you looking for the best sewing machines? In this video we will look at some of the best sewing machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Brother HC 1850. Upgrade your sewing experience with the Brother HC 1850, a versatile, user-friendly computerized sewing machine designed to make both simple and advanced projects effortless. Perfect for beginners and hobbyists alike, this machine combines convenience, efficiency, and a broad range of features to help bring your creative visions to life. With 185 built-in stitches and 8 buttonhole styles, the HC 1850 ensures you'll always find the perfect stitch for every project. Its digital display with easy-to-read numerals makes selecting stitches quick and intuitive, eliminating confusion and streamlining your workflow. Customization is easy with a maximum stitch width of 7 mm and stitch length of 5 mm, providing more adjustability than many other machines in its class. The one-step automatic buttonhole feature simplifies creating professional-looking buttonholes on most fabrics, while the automatic bobbin winder speeds up setup. Operating at a maximum speed of 850 stitches per minute, the HC 1850 is fast yet precise, perfect for tackling a variety of fabrics and designs. Reviewers praise its ease of use, noting that even complex stitches are straightforward to set up, making it ideal for those new to sewing or looking to expand their skills. While heavier stretch fabrics may require extra care for buttonholes, this machine excels in nearly every other aspect of sewing. Affordable, reliable, and packed with features, the Brother HC 1850 is a top choice for any home sewer seeking a high-quality, easy-to-use sewing machine that grows with your skills. Number 2. Brother CS 5055. Start your sewing journey with the Brother CS 5055, a reliable and easy-to-use computerized sewing machine designed for beginners and casual hobbyists. Offering a perfect balance of features, performance, and affordability, this machine makes basic sewing and mending tasks simple and enjoyable. With 60 built-in stitch styles and 7 buttonhole options, the CS 5055 covers a wide range of essential sewing needs. Its automatic bobbin winder and clear, numbered directions guide you through setup, making threading and bobbin placement intuitive even for first-time users. While the display screen is not backlit, it remains easy to read, simplifying stitch selection and adjustments. The CS 5055 produces high-quality stitches across most fabrics, and the buttonhole function delivers above-average results. Operating at a maximum speed of 750 stitches per minute, it offers consistent performance for everyday sewing projects. Some minor limitations, such as difficulty with zippers or slight bobbin tension issues on certain fabrics, are outweighed by the ease of use and value this machine provides. Ideal for beginners or those looking for a budget-friendly machine for light alterations, the Brother CS 5055 is an excellent entry-level choice. For those planning to tackle more advanced projects, higher-end options like the Brother CS 7000X or HC 1850 offer added precision and more features. But if your goal is a simple, dependable, and affordable sewing machine, the CS 5055 delivers everything you need to get started with confidence. Number 3. Singer 9960 Quantum Stylist. Elevate your sewing projects with the Singer 9960 Quantum Stylist, a powerhouse sewing machine designed for experienced hobbyists and serious sewing enthusiasts. Boasting an astonishing 600 built-in stitch options and 13 buttonhole styles, this machine offers unmatched versatility, making it perfect for decorative stitching, garment construction, and intricate sewing projects. Equipped with a well-designed automatic thread cutter and bright work lighting, the Quantum Stylist ensures precision and efficiency throughout every project. Its computerized interface streamlines setup and stitch selection, while the automatic bobbin winder speeds up preparation. With a maximum speed of 850 stitches per minute, this machine delivers consistent, high-quality results on a variety of fabrics, including multi-layer denim, zippers, and challenging hems. Reviewers praised the quality of buttonholes and the unique decorative stitches, noting that this machine is perfect for anyone who loves creative embellishments. While the machine offers incredible customization, some adjustments to tension may be required for optimal performance, and threading the needle and winding the bobbin can be less intuitive than other models. The instruction manual is functional but requires careful attention. Ideal for experienced sewers looking to expand their creative capabilities, the Singer 9960 Quantum Stylist balances complexity with usability, providing a feature-rich platform to explore advanced sewing techniques. If you're ready to invest in a machine that combines power, variety, and high-quality results, the 9960 Quantum Stylist is a top-tier choice that will transform your sewing experience. Number 4. Janome HD 1000 Black Sewing Machine. Discover reliability and strength with the Janome HD 1000, a heavy-duty mechanical sewing machine built for sewers who value durability and precision. Unlike many modern machines with plastic bodies, the HD 1000 features a sturdy aluminum construction that absorbs vibration and delivers consistent stitching, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced sewers tackling a variety of projects. Weighing approximately 17 pounds, this machine is robust yet compact, fitting comfortably into small spaces and closets, making it perfect for apartments or limited workspaces. Despite its metal frame, it remains manageable for occasional transport, balancing durability with portability. The HD 1000 includes 14 built-in stitches, including a reliable buttonhole function, covering essential sewing needs such as hemming, mending, and quilting. Its mechanical design provides straightforward operation, making it easy to adjust stitch length and width without navigating complicated computerized settings. This simplicity appeals to those who prefer hands-on control and a direct connection to their sewing process. Reviewers praise the HD 1000's feel and performance, noting that sewing on a metal-bodied machine provides a sense of stability and confidence that plastic machines often lack. Its combination of robust construction, versatile stitches, and compact footprint makes it an excellent choice for home sewers who want a dependable, long-lasting machine. Whether you're repairing, crafting, or quilting, the Janome HD 1000 heavy-duty sewing machine delivers power, precision, and durability in one compact package, offering a dependable companion for all your sewing projects. Number 5. Bernette 05 Academy. The Bernette 05 Academy by Swiss brand Bernette is a perfect choice for beginners or casual sewers seeking a reliable, portable, and easy-to-use mechanical sewing machine. With 30 built-in stitches, including essential utility and decorative options, this machine covers all the basic sewing needs for hemming, mending, crafting, and light quilting. One standout feature of the Bernette 05 Academy is its lightweight design, weighing just around 15 pounds. It comes with a convenient rolling suitcase, making it ideal for sewers on the move or those with limited workspace. Despite its portability, the machine's sturdy build and quiet operation ensure smooth, precise stitching without disturbing your household. You can sew comfortably in a living room or shared space while others watch TV or relax. The mechanical interface is intuitive and straightforward, making it easy for beginners to adjust stitch length, width, and tension without fussing over complicated computerized controls. Its compact footprint allows for convenient storage, yet it maintains enough power and durability to handle everyday sewing projects reliably. Reviewers highlight the Bernette 05 Academy's balance of simplicity, portability, and quiet performance, making it an excellent first sewing machine or a dependable travel-friendly option. Whether you're learning to sew, working on small craft projects, or need a machine that travels well, the Bernette 05 Academy mechanical sewing machine delivers versatility, convenience, and consistent results every time.